Okay guys, welcome back to Altus channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable voice message transcript on WhatsApp. So let's get started. You open your WhatsApp. Now you wanted to, when someone send you a transcript or you send someone a transcript and you wanted to enable the transcript on WhatsApp, how do you go about it? So what you need to do is click on your WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp, click on these your three dots, then click on settings, then scroll down, click on chat, and you're going to scroll down and click on voice message transcript. Click on voice message transcript, then choose your language. Now you can choose any language. I'm going to choose English, then click on setup now. For this I'll wait for Wi-Fi. So now once you click on setup now, you're going to wait for it to download all the transcript. Once you are done, so I'm not going to do it. Once you are done, you can just go there, go back to your, as you go back to it, just long click on it, and you're going to see the plus and you're going to see transcript, and you can transcript successfully. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.